Hello everyone, let's see how to make aloo gobi ki sabji. Add the chopped potato, tomatoes, gobi, dhania, mirch and ginger and garlic. Combine all the ingredients in the mixer and blend till smooth without using any water. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and amchur. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add jeera, mirch, add tomatoes, ginger garlic paste and mix well and cook for 5 and 7 minutes. Add red chili powder, turmeric powder, Kashmiri lal mirch powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder and salt. And mix. Add curd. And cook for 5 and 7 minutes. Add aloo and gobi and toss well. Cook for 5 more minutes and turn off the heat. Serve hot with roti and paratha. Thank you.